React component using ChatGPT.
I'm going to start by creating a new React application from scratch. We need to have Node already installed. If not, please go ahead and install it. Otherwise, the npx command is not going to work for us. ChatGPT demo React is the name of the application. Let's give it a minute for the application to get created. The application is now created. Now let's go into the Visual Studio Code and try opening the React application that we have just created. So this is the project structure. Now let's try opening up the terminal and try running the application by npm start. So the application is now loaded. Looks like we went into an error. The web vitals is missing. Let's try to quickly install that package by using npm install web vitals. So this has installed the required packages. Now let's try starting the application again, and it's all looking good now. This is the React UI component that we are going to create. Let's navigate to ChatGPT using Chrome browser. Inside the ChatGPT, let's use this attach file option to upload the UI image. Click open. And the next thing that we have to do is type the prompt. And we are going to use JavaScript for this React component and hit enter. We can also use TypeScript if you want to. So here's the code that ChatGPT provides us. It basically looks into the image and has created the required markup. So it looks like it has added some basic validations for the password. But if you need validations for the other fields and any other CSS requirements, we can further prompt. Let's go and copy this particular React component and navigate back to Visual Studio Code. Let's try creating new component here, adding new. I'm going to name this as registration.js and I'm going to paste JSX code over here. Let me copy over this registration form component and come back to the app.js. I'm going to replace this entire markup for the sake of this demo. Put a markup for the new component that we have created. So that is registration form. Yeah, so that's the component. So save it and let's try to run the application again. As you can see here, the ChatGPT has created the required React component markup by using the uploaded UI.
Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.